When you are faced with fear, uncertainty, and doubt, or a FUD, as some like to call it, you have a decision to make. Will you face that fear with courageousness, or will you run away and try to find somebody who makes it sound better, or who might not be telling the truth just because it sounds good? Look, guys, here's the deal. The big story on AMC stock today is the 11.55 million shares that are up for sale of AMC stock. Yes, they are up for sale as of today. These stocks were not issued back in April like a lot of people are claiming they were. This is a recent sale as of today, and it's something that needs to be addressed. Why? Because I don't want you to go out there and believe stuff that if it's not true without doing the research for yourself. But also, this could be one of the biggest momentum shifts in the short squeeze. This could have given us apes, us retail investors, us bros, all of the power. So it's something that needs discussed. And of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and of course, we are growing our portfolios together. All right, now, if you want to reference everything that we're going to be talking about in this video, you can check out the links in the description below for all of the 8K filings, the S3 filing, everything that we're going to be talking about. Because there are a lot of rumors, there's a lot of misconceptions and misinformation floating around out there that the 11.55 million shares that went up for sale today actually didn't go up for sale today. People are saying that they were sold back in April, and it's not the case. So the 8K filing that came out today said that AMC is putting up for sale up to, at any point in time and at any price, 11.55 million shares. This is the exact same filing that they filed back in April when they issued up to 43 million shares. Okay? Now, the prospectus that it's referencing is the S3 filing that we saw back on April 27th, which just says that AMC Entertainment will be issuing additional equity in the future at any price point that they determine necessary, and that they can use the capital that they raise for different things such as paying down debt, acquiring new theaters, etc., etc. Whatever they need to run their business, they can use that capital for. So we saw them issue, and let's just backtrack a little bit to the interview that Trey had with Adam Aron, the CEO of AMC. The CEO of AMC said that they had 43 million shares available to sell to raise capital to directly influence the day-to-day business of AMC stock. He also said that they had 20 million shares that were available for executive compensation packages, bonuses to the executive members at AMC, CEO, CFO, all those big guys that are already making millions of dollars. So they had 20 million shares set aside for them. They had 43 million shares set aside to issue in a secondary market to raise capital for AMC. So we saw on May 13th that AMC sold all 43 million of those shares and raised roughly $428 million at a price of, I think, $9.80 average, somewhere around there. That was on May 13th. They issued all 43 million of those shares. Now, earlier on in the week, we saw that AMC sold 8.5 million shares to Mudrick Capital. And today, we see that they have 11.5 million shares up for sale in the market. 8.5 plus 11.5, that gets you the 20 million shares that they would have had left over for executive compensation. So now they're selling those. Why are they selling them? You can see in the prospectuses that they believe AMC is trading at unrealistic prices right now. They're saying that AMC is trading so far detached from its underlying value that they need to take advantage of the inflated price. Now, guys, we know that AMC is trading above its value. If you look at AMC's balance sheet, if you look at AMC's income statement, all of its financial statements, you can tell that it's not worth the $50 that it's trading at right now. But that's the beauty of it. We're not buying AMC because of its underlying value. Now, Adam Aaron would like to get the underlying value of AMC up to maybe $10 a share, but we are in this for so much more. We are charging the hedge funds, and I think a lot of people might forget the point of the AMC stock short squeeze. We are not investing in AMC. We are buying AMC so that we can charge the hedge funds ludicrously high prices when they have to buy the stock back. That it's as plain and simple as that. I don't want anybody to lose focus on why we can reach these prices. Don't invest in AMC at this point to see a fundamental value of $20. We're well beyond that. So please put that in your rear view. Guys, there's so much more potential here than a lot of people are giving it credit for. Now, why could this be a good thing? Look, we know they exhausted those 43 million shares, and now they're exhausting the other 20 million shares that they had available. That leaves AMC with 0 additional shares to dilute their stock, to raise any more capital. They have raised plenty of money this year. Just since the beginning of 2020, they have issued over 450 million shares. Think about that. They've raised all their capital. I know that Adam Aaron says that yes, these shares were authorized in 2013, but in a year and a half time frame, they issued roughly 470 million shares now. So yes, they've had their chance. They've raised their money. Guess whose chance it is now? It's your chance. It's my chance. Now it's our turn to raise our money. It is our turn to make as much money as possible. AMC sold when they thought the stock price is high. Now it's your turn to sell when you think the stock price is high. Now, why is it a good thing? I said at the beginning of the video, this could be one of the best things that gives us retail investors the power. AMC can no longer dilute the shares any further. They have sold all of them, or will be selling all of them once they issue these 11.5 million shares. So now, yes, they will ask for more authorization on new shares in the upcoming vote. You have a decision. By now, you know what my decision is. I will not vote any more authorized shares. I will not vote yes to authorize any more shares for AMC to raise any more money. It is my turn to raise money. It is your turn to raise money. And how do you do that? It's simple. You hold the stock. Do not sell it. Because look, at the end of the day, you don't know if you're selling it to me or if you're selling it to the hedge funds. And if you sell out to the hedge funds at $50, you essentially said the maximum price that AMC can go to is that $50. That would be incorrect. Okay, we hold the power at this point. If you hold a share of AMC and you are not willing to sell that share of AMC, do not forget that when the hedge funds have to cover, that price has to come up until you and I are finally willing to sell. And it should not be at the $50 price point. It shouldn't be at the $60 price point. It shouldn't be at the $70 price point. Hold out as long as you can. Here's the deal. If you vote to authorize more shares for AMC, here's what's going to happen. AMC will issue those shares. They may not issue them in 2021, but the hedge funds can hold out. You guys have seen that the hedge funds don't have to fold when the price gets to $70. You have seen that the hedge funds are not going to give up this battle and just roll over and die and give us billions or trillions of dollars. We've seen that, okay? And we have also seen that in a period of a year and a half, AMC has sold 470 million shares of AMC stock. So yes, whether they tell you they're not going to dilute till 2021, if they ask for less shares, whatever it's going to be, just know that you're essentially giving AMC the chance to make all of the money that you and I want to make. If you vote no, the ball's in our court now. It's our turn. It's our time to make this money, and it's our decision on when we sell. So guys, I hope that clears a little bit of this misconception up and this doubt. It gets rid of all of that. It's not a scary thing that they're issuing their last share today. In fact, it's a great thing that now the decision is ours, the time is ours, and the money is ours. So hopefully, if you don't believe me, please go read the prospectuses down in the description below. Read what was filed on the 27th. Read the 8K statement, the S3 statement that was filed on the 27th, along with the 8K statement that was filed on the 27th, and then the 8K statement that was filed today. Yes, the shares are for sale as of today. And although the other people may be telling you something different, please go do your research, read this stuff for yourself, and form your own opinion. But I believe our time is now. Once we can bounce back from the dilution, and the fact that the dilution brought down the stock price this morning from $77 pre-market all the way down to like $37 is what the dilution did. So keep that in mind. We will have an upcoming vote. If you held shares yesterday through the close, you will be able to vote at the upcoming shareholder meeting. So you can vote all the way up till July 29th, and it's going to be a very important decision because, guys, the game is just beginning, and now I can finally smell all of the money that we are going to be making in this short squeeze. So let us know down in the comments below how high you think AMC is going to go. And the most important question, are you willing to hold AMC? If you're not willing to hold, I don't know, look something up, gather some confidence from somewhere. But if you are willing to hold, throw those diamond hands up, guys, because the game is just beginning. Now, of course, if that subscribe button is still red, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. Twitter, Webull, all of those links in the description below. Sign up for Webull, deposit $100, get some free stocks. It's a great platform, guys. I use it. I appreciate it. I've never had a single problem with them. And ClayBro.com, if you'd like a bro shirt. I know this is backwards, but the thing mirrors everything on this video. So they are printed correctly if you were to buy a bro shirt off ClayBro.com. And I think that's it. So until the next time, guys, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.